How to unblock websites on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Screen Time. Again, scroll down the list until you find Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap on it. Inside this menu, find and tap on the App Store, Media, Web and Games option. Here, find and tap on Web Content. You will see the current restriction level. If you have specific websites blocked, they will be listed under the Never Allow section. In this section, to unblock a single website, simply swipe left and delete it. Alternatively, if you wish to remove all web filtering and allow access to all websites, you can select the unrestricted option at the very top of the screen. Following these steps, you can easily unblock any website on an iPhone. Thank you for watching.